Greetings everyone. I welcome you all in the second module of Chapter 1 Constitution. In the last module, we have discussed about the meaning of the Constitution, that a Constitution is a body of fundamental principles according to which a state is constituted or governed. The Constitution is also a compact document which has number of articles about the state. Now in this module, we are going to discuss about why do we need a constitution. We need a constitution because of many reasons. Because constitution defines and limits the powers of the government. If constitution will not limit the power of the government, any one organ can be more powerful than other and they can misuse their power. So, Constitution defines the limits of the powers of the government. It also defines the powers and functions of the various organs of the government. Various organs like legislature, executive, judiciary. The function of the legislature is only they have to make the laws. They do not have the power to implement the laws. Similarly, executive, they can implement the laws, and judiciary, they have to check and maintain the balance among the different institutions of the governments. So each and every power, every function of government is mentioned in the constitution. And constitution also defines that what rights will be given to the citizens and how their relationship will be there within the government. So, because of these reasons, we need a constitution. Let's discuss now what are the functions of constitution. Constitution basic function is to provide a set of basic rules which create coordination among the different citizens, or we can say that people of different religion, culture, caste, language, they can live together peacefully. And this coordination will be only created by, or rather we can say can be only created by constitution. Constitution also specify that who has the power to take which decision. There is a decision making power rest with those elected leaders which are elected by people, and these leaders, they can take the decision on the behalf of the people, and this decision making power, it is only provided by the constitution. Next is to set the limitations on the government. This constitution also decide the limits, put the limits on the powers of the government so that any institution of the government cannot misuse their power. This constitution also enable the government to fulfill their aspiration of the society and create condition for good society. Only constitution make the power, give the power to the government which can fulfill the needs, which can fulfill the interest of the people, and also provide and create such condition in which people of different culture, religion, caste, language can live together peacefully. To express the fundamental identity of the people, this is also the another function of the constitution. Now, what are the main features of the constitution? Constitution is a blend of rigidity and flexibility. Neither it's too rigid nor it's too flexible. It is a federal in form, means two levels, central level, state level, but unitary in spirit, means all the levels are important. No one level is No one organ of the government is more important. All are equally important. The Constitution of India is supreme. No organ of the government, no institution of the government, no citizen can trespass them. They cannot overpower on the Constitution.